What do you got, Darrell?
Yeah, two things. So one thing that I also think and hope, like Scott says, that we look back a year from now and we're amazed by all the things that happen. I think there's also like an industry specific thing that we need to think about. I was just talking with some colleagues the other day around how we can often get in our little tech bubble, So like a lot of the predictions that we're making are actually about tech, the tech industry and SaaS. So I think maybe from a SaaS perspective, we'll look back and say like, oh, look at all the amazing things. I think of the greater business ecosystem as a slow burn. You know what I mean? I try to think of like when did you like look around and realize that everyone around you had a smartphone? I think about that too. Um, can you all hear me? I think
Yeah. Oh, we
I
can
have
hear
a
you
Yeah,
just
little.
fine,
yeah.
Darrell.
I think I might be back.
You're here.
I'm here. Okay. So I think about that often because I don't think I find it hard to find a cutoff point of when the smartphone reached mass adoption and all of a sudden we had a computer in our pockets. I think that is what I'm predicting for the entire business sort of ecosystem overall as like adopting a lot of these things. Personally, within my work and like my realm, I'm predicting, hoping that there's going to be this rise of this role that I call the AI operator or the AI subject matter expert. And rather than, you know, people in a haphazard way using AI across the company, I think it should be centralized to a group. I think that group should have their eyes on the customer experience and also the experience of the employees. And because it needs to straddle those two things, I would hope that that role of AI operator lands in marketing ops because selfishly that's my job. And I really think too that if we don't do it, I think there's a lot of danger of maybe other parts of the company that maybe don't have the oversight and the care of the customers in their minds, and they'll roll out these solutions and it'll have those detrimental consequences that we talked about. So I would say those two things. Prediction number one: fast for tech, slow burn for the rest of the world. Prediction number two: the rise of this AI operator role within marketing ops, I hope.